Hello? Yeah, okay. Yeah, you know what we're doing. Wait, what? Wait a second. Yes, great. Okay, no, I had to check for the microphone. I'm out of the microphone. So yeah. Okay, so we do how unfortunate. Electrical work. We're gonna do something special. I'm going to be cooking out of stuff. I have like 4,000 dollars, so this should be good. Because then I can buy everything in the shop. Godful. Batman block another. Tripped. Bad time. Have to have I'm everywhere, nobody fell. I'll spray. Maybe. We can run 2 for seconds. After image. Hide. Yeah, I can say, wait, what? 3. Why does it say 3? How goofy are you? This one! No! No! It is impossible with wet floors. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Just ignore me. What I'm doing now. So, Bob. Rush hour. Just I'm everywhere. Itchy, nosy. Not that. So wait. This, that, and this. Okay, I have all the other modifiers yet again. Game, please do not give me wet floor. I wasted like 300 knobs. First, I'm going to check if I have wet floor. Then I have to see if this one's on run that's good or bad. Run. Oh. Okay. Normal. I need to find band-aids. And this isn't good because of I'm everywhere. Already? Excuse me. There! Okay, yeah. I have Tiki key enabled. I think. I don't know. Actually, no, it can't be. Enable block unloaded, so yeah. Why am I even 50 cents, which is pretty good. Want the vitamin? Why'd I use the vitamin? Why'd the vitamin? This freaking sucks. And I hate that I'm doing this, but I still have to. Because I'm challenging myself. I will probably do this again, but not today. What? For what? For what? For what? For what? What door am I at? I didn't fire at you! What the hell is that was surprising, actually. I'm gonna be doing one more, just because. Okay. Just please, game to give me again and again and again and again and again. That hurts my nose. Oh, I got injuries. HP. Oh, it sucks. It freaking sucks. I wanna go fast. Yeah, no. Just cannot do that. I am losing my knobs, so that's why for this one instead we buy Glock picks. Oh, but what is it? What is it? Bob! Well, this hurts my knobs and I hate it. Oh. This hurts my knobs and I hate it. last and final one. Finally. The final one. Do band-aids still spawn when you're playing with not a lot of stuff? And I might have not equipped El Camino with C, which makes me feel happy-ish. Whatever the hell. For the next one, I'm using the get more knob. Why am I checking here? I already pulled the level. I am a bit stupid. Wait, where even was that? Yeah, there. I'm just a bit. Come on, let's just keep going. Oh, door 7. Okay, I did a rush. Oh, what? I'm a bit stupid. Focus. Keys now? What do you mean? Yeah, okay, that's the final one. I don't want to waste any more knobs, so yeah. That's pretty much it. And bye!